These matte transitions will work on almost every version of Premiere Pro. Let me show you how to use these transitions. Open Premiere Pro. Here I have taken a full HD sequence. Place video clips on the timeline like that. Now let's import transitions. You can preview transitions from here. Place any transition clip on the timeline. Place it like that. Place second clip like that. Select the razor tool and cut the second clip where the transition ends. Now go to the Effects panel and search for the Track Matte key. Apply it to the Video 2 clip. Go to the Effects Control panel. In Track Matte Key Effect, set Composite using to Matte Luma. Change Matte to Video 3. These are 4K transitions. To use these transitions in full HD sequence, scale transition clips by 50%. That's it. Thanks for watching.